How to have dirty phone conversations. Talking sexily while on the phone is a great way to have some sexy conversation with your partner or even to transition into full-on phone sex. 1. Pick a good time to engage in nasty chat. Make sure you and your date are both free and prepared to begin a sensual chat if you want to have a successful filthy talk phone date. If you are getting ready for bed while your spouse is having dinner with his mother, your nasty banter won't get very far. To ensure that both of you are free and alone at home or in your rooms, schedule your dirty talk date in advance. 2. Look hot and feel hot. Put on some seductive underwear and a hot clothing after taking a nice, hot bath. Even if your partner won't be able to see what you're wearing, if you appear game for some action, you'll be more likely to turn them on. To set the mood, you may even apply some fragrant lotion or oil to the nape of your neck. 3. Create a mood. Would you engage in sexual activity if your room was covered in filthy clothes and your workstation was covered in empty takeout containers? Let's hope not. Also, wait until you're in a romantic setting before engaging in dirty banter. Just tidy up your area, turn down the lights, light a few candles, and relax in your spotless, inviting bed. Do whatever it takes to get ready to start getting it on for real. 4. Beginning to turn on. Unless you want to, this doesn't imply that you should touch yourself, but it does imply that you should start into a sensual frame of mind. Close your eyes and recall your hedonistic fantasies or the last time you and your partner engaged in intense physical contact. 5. Make use of your dirty talk voice. While still being you, it should sound more seductive and slow talking. Don't question your honey about their day in the same voice as you would. Instead, speak more slowly and huskily. If you choose, you can even do so at a whisper level. Just make sure that you can still hear some of yourself in it. 6. Give your partner some praise. You're not obligated to speak in an X-rated manner immediately away. Just begin with some simple compliments. Tell your particular someone how much you've missed them and what a beautiful body they have. You may even tell them about your most recent sexual experience and how sexy it was. Simply begin complimenting your partner to set the mood. 7. Talk about your clothing. Give your partner a detailed description of what you are wearing. Describe how your body appears while wearing your clothing, bringing up any exposed areas. Close your eyes and ask your partner what they are wearing while seeing them wearing those outfits. 8. Discuss your course of action if your lover were present. Begin slowly. Just mention a few things that would occur if your lover were present. As you progress toward your more elaborate dreams, you can get as graphic as you like, but you can start with the fundamentals. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.